The Indus Waters Treaty, which has survived 3 wars, decades of cross-border terrorism against India by Pakistan, and a long history of antagonism between the two countries, was suspended for the first time by New Delhi. This moves come after the attack on tourists in Pahalgam, in which Pakistani terrorists took the lives of 26 people. So what is Indus Waters Treaty? And what does this suspension mean for Pakistan? Let's tell you quickly. The IWT was signed by India and Pakistan on September 19, 1960, after 9 years of negotiations to determine the distribution of the waters of the Indus and its tributaries. It was signed in Karachi by then Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru and then Pakistan President Ayub Khan, in an agreement arranged by the World Bank. The treaty comprises 12 articles and 8 annexures, from A to H. Under the IWT, India enjoys unrestricted use of the 3 eastern rivers, like Beas, Ravi, Satluj, whereas Pakistan controls the 3 western rivers, Indus, Chenab and Jhelum. Now, Pakistan, being the lower riparian country as the rivers flow downstream, is at a disadvantage. Upper riparian is the place where the river originates and lower riparian is where it ends. Since the Indus, Jhelum and Chenab do not originate in Pakistan, the country is heavily reliant on the treaty as it receives about 80% of the total water flow from these rivers. According to Article 3, first of the treaty, India is under obligation to let flow waters of the western rivers to Pakistan. Over the past 2 years, the IWT has again been at the center of rising tensions, with India issuing a notice to Islamabad in January 2023 seeking the modification of the Indus Waters Treaty, followed by another formal notice in September 2024 seeking its review and modifications. The word review, according to experts, effectively signal New Delhi's intent to revoke and renegotiate the treaty. Now, what does this suspension mean? The move signals a shift in how India may leverage transboundary water flows to increase pressure on Pakistan. And this action could bring uncertainty for Pakistan's agricultural system, as the water is vital for agriculture and irrigation in the Pakistani provinces of Punjab and Sindh. In fact, the Punjab province produces 85% of the country's food. However, all the impact will not be felt immediately, as India's decision to hold the treaty in abeyance does not mean an immediate halt to water flowing to Pakistan. Suspending the treaty means India may not adhere to the restrictions of IWT and begin constructing reservoir dams to plug water flow. Thus, at this point, India's move is more a pressure tactic on Pakistan to rein in terror groups and stop infiltration.